So, what is your name, and what do you do exactly?
My name is Mohawk. M-O-E-H-A-K-K. And I am a bird watcher. More specifically, in my eyes, I'm a bird savior. You know, bird savior maybe. I communicate with these birds.
Is that all that the bird savior entails? What exactly is a bird savior?
Mo, where are your shoes?
That is a dumb question. Do birds have shoes?
No.
There's your answer. Come on. A bird savior is... God, it's hard to explain it to you. A bird savior is someone who communicates, you know, more or less spiritually and above and beyond. And I feel as I am a bird.
Okay, so one of the many things us bird watchers like to do, bird savior more particular, is you can communicate with the birds by the trees. You know, come on.
I'm coming. Okay.
So one of the things birds do is they hang in trees, they build nests in trees.
Right. Now,
Hey. They've been here.
So would you care to explain what that was there, Mo?
Let me do it again. Hang on.
Okay.
I'm getting some. You gotta come with me.
So, in what ways do you communicate with them?
One of the
birds?
many ways I communicate. Here, I'll show you. It's called the hawk squat. And what the hawk squat is that you got to keep your back completely straight, armed up like this, like that. And the reason why we do the hawk squat is because one of the many places that birds, they fear it is the ground. The ground. So we got to get low, and then you'll find the birds. So when you get down in the hawk squat and you're in the grass, sight everywhere. Everywhere. That's one of the ways. Yes.
All right. How long have you been bird watching?
I mean, man, I came out a bird.
What have I gotten myself into?
Go. Do you think that you'll ever stop bird watching, Mo?
What kind of question is that? No. I don't think I'll ever stop. I mean, shit. I don't know what else I'd be doing.
Mo, what are you doing?
I'm so close to one. It's right here.
What's right there?
It's right. It's.
Oh, Mo!
Well, all right. Well, thank you so much. That is it's all the time we have. So thank you so
I can
much.
finally see you guys. Oh well, thank you so much. Remember, please don't let the cloud watchers take over our practice. This has kind of been our thing. And anyways, I'll see you later.
The cloud watchers, Mo?
Yeah.
Mo, who are the cloud watchers?
The cloud watchers, people that like watch clouds and stuff. I gotta go fly home.
Wrong camera.